The National Hurricane Center is tracking a new disturbance in the central Atlantic Ocean, the agency said in its latest advisory issued Tuesday. An area of low pressure could form in the central portion of the tropical Atlantic in a few days, according to the NHC, where environmental conditions appear generally favorable for slow development of the system this weekend into early next week. The disturbance is forecast to move westward to west-northwestward at 10 to 15 miles per hour and has a 20% chance of formation through the next 7 days, according to the Hurricane Center. So far this year, including the 3 that are spinning Monday, there have been more storms in the Pacific than the Atlantic, and that's a bit of a surprise, forecasters say. In addition, it's been eerily calm in the Atlantic over the past week or so as we approach what's traditionally the busiest time of the season. It is quiet out there. Colorado State University meteorologist Phil Klotzbach told USA Today on Monday. "I certainly wasn't expecting this when we put out our most recent seasonal forecast." Klotzbach said that if we look at named storms, tropical storms, subtropical storms and hurricanes, the last time that we went from August 21 to September 22 with no named storm activity in the Atlantic was 1997. The next name on the list of names for Atlantic storms is Francine, which will be followed by Gordon, Helene, and Isaac. Storm names are maintained and updated through a strict procedure by an international committee of the World Meteorological Organization. Back in the 1950s, 1960s, and most of the 1970s, storm names were only female, but in 1979 male names began to be used as well. Scene script: about 945 miles east of Hilo, Hawaii, Hurricane Gilma is expected to keep heading west-northwestward with increased forward speed on Tuesday, forecasters said. The storm was moving west at about 13 miles per hour on Tuesday morning as maximum sustained winds declined to about 75 miles per hour, according to the National Hurricane Center. Before its forecasted gradual weakening, the center said Gilma will likely remain a hurricane as it approaches the central Pacific Basin. The upcoming hurricane nears after Tropical Storm Hone crossed south of the Big Island early Sunday as a Category 1 hurricane bringing severe rain and even up to 18 inches in some areas. Hone later weakened into a tropical storm Sunday night, moving west of the Aloha State. Severe weather flooded major roadways and caused power outages for thousands of homes and businesses. Several Big Island beaches closed while 5 public schools canceled classes due to the dangerous conditions. However, there were no major reports of damage. If Gilma arrives close enough soon, it would be the first time 2 named storms come within 300 miles of the main Hawaiian Islands in a week span since 1992, according to AccuWeather. A third system named Hector reached tropical storm status Sunday as it developed about 1,270 miles west of Baja California, the NHC reported. Hector, which sits east of Gilma, was generating sustained winds of up to 45 miles per hour on Tuesday, heading west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. Forecasters said it will slowly get weaker over the next couple of days. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.